Estamos claros y ya. No te lo voy a...
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I style my short hair. If you haven't seen the video of where I cut my hair, I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, when my hair is longer, I pretty much just wash it, let it dry, straighten it. When it's shorter and I have less to work with, I kind of like to blow dry it a little and do a little kind of flip and stuff like that. So I washed my hair last night, and I think it's dry. I think it's dry all the way. I washed my hair with this Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner. I've been using it for like maybe a month or two now, and I really like it. Like, I noticed my hair looks it really does look more like hydrated and moisturized, not as dry. After I got out the shower, then I put this Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Detangler Leave-In for dry and damaged hair. I love this because it just adds like extra moisture, but it doesn't make my hair greasy. Also, when it was still wet, I sprayed a little of this Beauty and Pinup Sway Blowout Styling Primer. I like to put this on before I do blows, just because it's like spray and it's lightweight and it gives a nice shine and it protects your hair from the heat. Before we get into this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. Again, thank you so much. I can't believe I have 1,000 subscribers. Like, that's really cool. So thank you to everyone that takes the time to watch my videos and like. Make sure to share it with your friends. Tell them about me. Yeah, if you want to see how I style my short hair, keep watching. So number one, whenever you're styling your hair, the biggest thing I stress is sections. I know sometimes when people are like blow drying or whatever, they kind of just take piece and they're like, oh, sections slow me down. In my opinion, sections keep everything nice and neat. You're not struggling of like, oh, did I do this piece? Oh, did I not? No. Section out your hair, keep it nice and neat, and it'll make your life a lot easier. So I already have like heat protectant and stuff in my hair. I sprayed my favorite, the Chi Guard. So I sectioned these two pieces in half, and you know, as you get to do your hair, you kind of can tell how much of a section you can handle. I have frizzy, like wavy hair. So if I just blow dried it, it would not last. Like, it would start to like frizz up and curl up at the roots, and it would just look like this at the end of the day. A little, like, I don't know if it's like a hack, but a little tip I guess I like to do. I get my flat iron and I flat iron the roots first. Make sure your hair is 100% dry. You do not want to flat iron your hair when it's wet because you're basically burning your hair. I am using my, it's kind of old, I hope you guys can't see how like scratched up it is, but I'm using my Cortex flat iron. I love this. I've had this for maybe 4 or 5 years and I love it. It's the best. And I got it from Marshall's for only 30 bucks, and online this is like 100 plus. So I'm gonna flat iron my roots. You just want to go maybe an inch or two from the root. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so normally when I'm doing this, I put my hair in my mouth. It's gross, I know. This is how I do it. Now my roots are completely straight. When my hair is shorter, I love to have some kind of like flip or curl or wave in it. Now I'm going to blow dry my ends. I am using a Babyliss Pro blow dryer. I bought this sometime last year, towards the end of last year, and I've really been liking it. I really have no complaints about it. When I blow dry my hair, I blow dry, okay, roll it up, roll it down a little bit, twist it out. After the section you have is smoothed down, I kind of just hold it in the brush for a second or two, roll it out, and then twist it. I'm going to do the other section now. I'm going to do this to my whole head. I'm going to speed this through, and I'll get back to you when we finish. And that's it. I love the volume and the body and the flip. Definitely, if you have curly or frizzy hair, try this method out, and I guarantee you your blow dries will last a lot longer, as opposed to if you just blow dried it, it will just frizz up by the end of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button. Let me know if you want to see a video of me curling my hair, my short hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.